Hello everyone and a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we have problem which name is minimum changes to make alternative binary string. Leetcode 1758 problem. So before going forward in this video, please make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this channel. And also it's my advice to all of you that please read the problem carefully and try to build up the intuition. And after that try to do the code. And if you will stuck at any point, then you can see this video. So let's read the problem statement. Problem is saying that we are given a string s consisting only of the characters 0 and 1. In one operation, you can change any 0 to 1 or vice versa 1 to 0. So the string is called alternative if no two adjacent characters are equal. If it's like 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 means it should be alternative. It can't be 0 0 then 1 then 1 1 then 0 0. It can't be this. It should be 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. It should be like this. So we have to return the minimum number of operation needed to make the alternative. So let's take an example. 0 1 0 0. So if I am starting from 0, I can start from 1 also. If I start from 0, then it will be 0 then 1. It's perfect. Up to 1, it's perfect. After this 0 is coming, so it's perfect. 0 can come after before, because the before 0 1 is there, so 0 1 0 is perfect. So after 0 again 0 is coming, so it should not like that. It should be 0 1 0 1. So we have to change 0 to 1. So I am doing one change, so our output will be 1. So let's see the approach for this. Yeah. So if I am taking this example 1001 so it's my original string. If I start from 0, like if I start from 0 to that, for that I'm changing 1 to 0. So if I change 1 to 0, so it will be 0. Then after this 0 is coming, so it should not like that. After this 1 will come, so I will change this to 1. So whatever I am changing, it will be in red color. So I am changing 1 to 0, then 0 to 1, then again 0 is coming. After 1, 0 is coming, it's perfect. Then it can be 0. Then after 0, 1 is coming, it should be perfect. So 1, then 1 after this 1 is coming. So it's not like that. It should be 0. So I will change 1 to 0. Then I will change after 0, 0 is coming. So I will change 0 to 1. Then I will change 1 to 0. It should be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So it's a perfect string. Okay. So in this string I am changing five characters, yeah, because it's a string, so I am changing 5 characters. If I start, what if I start from 1? I have two options. Either I can start from 0 or I can start from 1. If I start from 0, then I have to change 5 characters, as you can see. But if I start from 1, I am not changing the first index. Okay, I am starting from 1. Then it can, after this 0 can come. Then after this 1 should come. But here is 0. So I have to change this 0 to 1. This is my first operation. So after this 1 is coming, so it should be 0. So second operation, then 1 0 1. This is perfect. So 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. It's a alternative string. It's a perfect string for us. So in this string we are doing two operations, and if I start from 0, then I was doing five operations. So what is the minimum number of operations? 5 or 2. The minimum number of operation is 2, so 2 will be our answer. So as you can see, if I start from 0, I am taking, I will iterate the whole string, and I am starting the index from 0. So if I start from 0, so from 0th index 0 will come definitely. Then alternative, then again after 0 1 will come. Then after 1 0 will come. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see at even indexes 0 is coming. Okay, or at odd indexes 1 is coming if I start from 0. If I start from 1, then at even indexes 1 is coming, and at odd indexes 0 is coming. So what I will do is, if I am starting from 0, I will check if the index is even or not. If the index is even or my number is 0, so I will continue, I will do nothing. If my number is 1, then I will increase our counter, means count, number of counts, huh? And as same as this, if I am starting from 1, I'll check if my number is odd. If my number is odd, or uh, my index is even and my number is odd, so it's a perfect condition for us. If I am starting with 1, so if my number is 1 and I am starting from the index 0 and my index is 0, so it's a perfect condition, I will do nothing. If otherwise, I will increase our count. So let's see the code for this so that you can understand proper. So for this, let's open this float on top. Yeah. So for this, what I will do, I I will get two strings. Okay, if I start from 0, if I start from 1. So let's count the string int x equals to 0 and int y equals to 0 also. So now what I will do, I will iterate the whole string. So how can I iterate? For int I equals to 0 to I less than s dot 5, then I plus plus. This is done. Now I will check if what, how I will check. I'll check that if that num is index is even or odd. If my I modulo 2 equals to 0, if my index is even, and if my number is 0, if my number is 0, then I will do nothing. If my number is 1, s of I equals to 1, then I will increase x plus plus. And if else if case, else if I modulo 2 is not equals to 0, and then s of I, if I modulo 2 means I modulo 2 not equals to 0, if it means I am at the odd index, I am at the odd index, so odd index 1 should come. If 1 should come, if means if I am at the odd index, and if 1 is there, I will do nothing. If 0 is there, then I will increase our counter. So x plus plus. Let's see again. At even index, say this is 0th index, this is 1, this is second index, this is third, this is fourth index. At even indexes, my 0 will come, and at odd indexes, my 1 will come. Then this will be perfect. I will do nothing, and in else cases, I will increase our counter, because I have two cases. Even 0 will come, even odd will come, and odd indexes 0 can come, and odd indexes 1 can come. So I'll check these four conditions, and at in two condition I will do nothing, and in other two condition I will increase a counter. This is like this, and the same will be for if I start from with 1. So this is done, and now if this was for this was for if I start from 0, and now if I start from 1, then what I will do? If I start from 1, then you can see at 0, even indexes 0, 1, 2, even indexes 1 will come, at odd indexes 0 will come. So in these two conditions, I will do nothing, and in other condition, other two condition, I will increase y. So if I modulo 2 equals to 0, and then what I will do, if I am at the even indexes, then 1 should come. 1 should come. Yes, you can see 1 should come. But if what if s of I equals to 0, then I will increase our count y plus plus. And in else if condition, if I modulo 2 not equals to 0, it means I am at the odd indexes. Odd indexes 0 should come. Okay, you can see at odd index 0 should come. 0, 1, 2, 3. at odd indexes, 0 should come. What if at or what if I am at the odd index and 1 is coming? So S of I equals to 1. Then what I will do? I will increase by. And at final, what I will do is it should be if I am at the it should be what this should be equals to 0. Done. Because if I am at the odd index in previous condition, I am at the odd indexes, 0 should come, 1, 2. Or 1 should come, and if this will be 0, then x plus plus. This is done. Now, what I will do, I will return minimum of x comma y. Let's run this and see if this will work or not. It is giving me wrong answer. Let's see what mistake I have done. If I have to check my conditions, if I am at the even indexes, then and f of I equals to 1, then I will increase our count. S of I equals to 0, then I will increase our count. This is done. Then let's see the question. Even, then it should be 0. Okay. Odd, then S of I equals to 1. Then by plus 1. These are perfect conditions. So what's the problem is in this condition? What will the problem? And see x plus plus, then 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. This is perfect condition for us. So let's see. Let's like this. If I modulo 2 equals to 1, means the mean is simple. These two is odd. The what will be a problem? Let's see. Actually, the problem was see, this is a string, so the problem is this should be in bracket, means this is a character now, so this should be like this 0, then 0, then this will be 1. So now let's run this and see if this will work or not. Actually, it should work. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yes, it is working perfect. So now let's discuss about the time and space complexity for this. So as you can see, we are iterating the whole string. So time complexity will be big O of n, and the space complexity will be big O of 1 because we are not using any space in this. So we are only using the variables x and y and all. So this was a complete solution. And if you find this helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. And we will meet in next video. We'll see in next video. Okay. Bye.